Hello, my friend, we meet
There is a
again.
Bible verse that says, love bears all things, believe all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Every time I read that verse, it always reminds me of you, of us, of everything we've been through in the past years. But looking back now, I realize those moments made our love stronger. They reminded me again and again why you are the one I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
I'm free, I'm careless, I believe above all the else will fly. This brings tears into my eyes, my sacrifice.
You are my answered prayers, alam mo ba yun? I promise to grow with you, love with you, and build a life filled with love, faith, and patience. No matter where life takes us, I will always choose you.
For a year now I've been waiting to see that look in your eyes. I've been hoping for a love like you for a long, long time. We got laughter, we got tears.
First of all, thank you so much kasi alam ko, mapapagod talaga kayo. Kaya maraming salamat. Kasi di makukumpleto yung kasal ko kung wala kayo. Thank you!
Thank you for loving me the way I needed to be loved, patiently, gently, and sincerely. And I vow that I will continue loving you even during the times when I may not always like you. Because loving you will always be a choice that I will make every single day.
I do. Through the loving and hurting, I'll be
Love, my fiancé, finally my wife. Ang dami na nating pinagdaanan. Sa loob ng 8 years, hindi naging madali. May mga struggles, problems, at minsan, may misunderstanding tayo. Pero sa part talaga yon, mas makikilala natin about isa. Despite everything we've been through, mas lalo kitang minamahal, mas lalo kitang pipiliin araw-araw.
Hand in hand, no more plans, just our love here. Again and again I'll say it, I do, I do,
Alam mo ba na kung gaano kakaganda?
I do.
Hindi lang sa outside, pero pati sa heart mo. You're not just beautiful, you're also smart, very optimistic, a truly blessed person, and etc. Dami yun, etc. yun.
Thank you for always respecting me, my feelings, my thoughts, my opinion, and even my stubborn moments. You never made me feel small, and you always made sure that my voice matters. And I vow that I will also respect you, support your dreams, and learn to compromise so that every decision we make will always be for the good of us and the life we are building together.
Ang ganda mo naman!
Kapag nag-asawa ka, wala na pong hiwalayan. So ito pong kasalang ito, sagrado po ito, hindi lamang po sa harapan ng tao, kundi sa harapan po ng Diyos. Gusto po ng Diyos na kapag kayo nagsama, ang pinag-isa niya, wala raw hiwalayan. Ang relasyon po ng mag-asawa, kapag sentro si Jesus, magiging masaya yan. Sabi ko nga, palagi ko pong binabanggit, and they live happily ever after.
I promise to stand beside you, not only as your husband, as your best friend, your partner, and your safe place. My hand will always reach you for yours, and my heart will always belongs to you. Today and always, you are my hope, my heart, and my grateful blessings. Thank you, and I love you, my wife.
Today, in front of God and the people we love, I give you my heart, my respect, my patience, and my forever. Ikaw ang pinili ko noon, ikaw ang pinipili ko ngayon, at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko araw-araw habang buhay. I love you, love.